These are the guys who do business with them in crore of rupees. They could be, it could be, from the trading perspective, it could be from the banking perspective, it could be from the forex perspective. There are a lot of needs from the bank. So the technology is such that it shares, it can federate information with Facebook, Google Talk. Skype is in, pipeline. I'm sure because Skype works on a proprietary protocol, so that's the reason it's still not open. But and people like us are working with them very closely so that they open up the protocols and we are able to collaborate with them as well. And what they do is, depending upon how the business is moving in the day, because if they are trading, they might need to come on a session 3-4 times in a day. So such kind of people, can get on a call a number of times. Then it can be from the loan perspective. I mean, we go to car dealership, we buy a car, we choose a car, then we look for loans. But how about if there is a kiosk session? I have decided the car and I go to the kiosk, do a video session with the bank and immediately close whatever it is. So it is helping us collaborate better and taking video out, whatever you are looking for, and then you can play. Very good tool to help expedite the training needs of any organization. I mean, we don't get a lot of speakers at times, and it makes sense that we record the session. So I'll give you one more example from the education vertical. So there is a organization by the name Professional Academy. They are experts in the chartered accountant CA papers which we have, and CA is one of the toughest exam which people go for, and they don't get even the teachers or the lecturers very often. So what they do is they're training around 3,000 people in a month. This is a huge money which they are minting. And what they have done is they have created the studio rooms which I showed you earlier with more number of seats in the country, and they record the session and they play it back. So instead of doing one session, they are able to do 7-8 sessions in a day for the same, and they pay to the lecturer only once. So I'm just giving you a couple of examples. You can think about that how best they fit into your business, and accordingly you can let us know your feedback. If there are things which we can help you out, we will come to a location where you have the hiring manager. They pay for to and fro charges, they pay for your stay. It is time consuming. At times, people are not available who are supposed to take interviews. So this tool can also help that. So we have done this in one of the organizations. What we did is, now what HR does is, so the first couple of rounds, what they do is they send the link out to the employee, who's kind of person who's being hired, and connect that guy with the hiring manager over the internet, and that's how they schedule the interviews and cut the cost down and expedite the decision making around hiring. Okay. Any thoughts, any suggestion, anything which you would like to mention out here from your organization can help with, and or maybe something which you look for. We don't have. It could be a scenario that you are looking for something which has not been developed by IT players or technology players like us. It would be a feedback which we can pass it on to our product management and No? Okay. So broadly what we have created is a collaborative bank. From the executive to the conference, to the boardroom, to the contact center, customer service, ATM banking, internet banking, kiosk, loans, whatever you say, antenna will play, it is a collaborative bank. Having said that, I will just run through a couple of charts. These are related to other verticals. I have not gone into detail, and my intention is that you can absorb this information, think about your business, and do let us know. So healthcare, we have a lot of customers. I would like to highlight one more thing is that Polycom works with Microsoft very closely. So we have solutions from the voice, video, and on the platform side, which are optimized for link. So if you are a link user, Polycom has solutions which has native integration with Microsoft Link, and it can reduce your cost from the collaboration perspective. Just wanted to mention, we have been rated. This is last year, so we are rated, industry leaders for the last consecutive 5-6 years. We have been there. Gartner, Forrester, and Aragon Research, all of them recognizes us as a leader in the industry. We have a lot of customers, so I thought let me put in one slide around the customers. We are there. Having said that, since we are industry leaders, we have around 55-60% market share. So from that perspective, we do have solutions from voice. I spoke about it. Around 12 billion devices are already sold into the market. These are all best-in-class solutions which we have from the voice perspective. So as I said, when I'm going to finish, I'm going to request a couple of actions from your side. I have spoken about industry trends. I have spoken about how I've given you example how people collaborate, and I've given you thoughts around subscription-based model and capex-based model. I really want you to think about video as a different, as a different thought process altogether. Think about video. Yeah.
Polycom BSX6000. I have one problem that I cannot call to multi-destination. So what to do for this one?
So I'll just add on over here. BSX6000 is a point-to-point system only. So if you want to have a multi-point system, either you upgrade it to the next generation system or you have a hardware density. So we have a booth in the main hall. If you want to see how a multi-point call works, you can walk down. We have a equipment over there. I can show you the experience how a multi-point call works. Thank you.
Hi, good morning. My name is Asif Mahbub. I'm working for Reckitt Benckiser Bangladesh. So I had a very specific question, because we have been working together with Amara Technology as a technology partner, and we have been procuring Polycom devices for the last couple of years. So just want to have some detailed understanding of how we can go on implementing the TP solution in Bangladesh for Reckitt Benckiser. Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. So I'll be very interested to know some details, and also the collaborating tools that you were mentioning, because we have been using Link, Microsoft Link for the last 3 years. So we have the Polycom device as well. So how we can utilize that.
So for ITP, as I said, we have a new generation of telepresence solution coming up, which is Immersive Studio. So let's say if you are planning to have it in Bangladesh or any other location, so we can have a direct. So for the ITP, Polycom provides direct implementation services. So let's say you opt for location, we first need to do a survey of the room that you are planning to have the solution in, and then might be we can move it forward with the proposed solution, what type of solution.
Any more questions?
We are basically using VSX 7000. So I believe that is also multi-component. But basically, we are so much robust. We have about 47 organizations under the groups from Shentech. I have 2 more colleagues with me. So basically, we want to see this as mobile as possible. Just it should be very handy, because our management staff to use it with their iPhone or Android kind of things. They want to have the conference in their car or like that. I believe this kind of session you have on the upstairs.
So as Ankul was also mentioning in his presentation, now video is going mobile. So people who are having tablets and mobiles, they would like to communicate on the go. So if you just have a good 3G connectivity, so we have applications available for both smartphones, tablets and laptops. You can use those to communicate on the go. And for details, you can always share.
Within the organization, if your smartphones and iPads, tablets, if they are on Wi-Fi, I'm sure they are on Wi-Fi, you can still use them. So your management need not to be sitting at one place, right? They could be mobile within the organization and still connected.
Any more questions? Thank you, everybody.